I show you.
The instructions, Marnie.
Right. No, I need you to have a drink.
Yes, I'm still going to keep the instructions just in case
I want peach in a cup.
What?
Peach in a cup, please.
In a cup.
I want some. Watch TV.
We're going to go out shortly.
Rent a boat, oh, rent a boat. Oh, that's a good one, isn't it? That's good.
Come
Look
and
at this,
come
what
and
your
get your
sister-
tea.
Look what your sister's done. Look.
I've done 2 of them
Yeah, that's
already. Say,
Already?
look.
good. Already I've done 2 of them. I didn't know you were like that. Already?
I'm still making it for you, Aisha.
I know.
Come and get your tea.
Come and get it. Come and get it. Come and get it.
Aisha, if you break this one, I'm not making another one for you.
No, that's right. Quite right.